When you are trying to troubleshoot, for example, two machines, two devices, etc., that cannot communicate between each other, you will use this sequence to determine all the hops or devices in between source and destination that need to be contacted and the order they're contacted in order to ensure proper communication between device A and device B using Windows Server 2016. We're going to go down to the lower left-hand corner and click on the magnifying glass. Type in CMD, Charlie Michael David, enter. You're going to type in the command tracer, which is Tom, Roger, Alpha, Charlie, Echo, Roger, Tango, space, and then you're going to type in the destination, and you do this at the source. So in this case, this was destination as DC, which is another server in this example on this local installation. I'm going to press enter. It recognizes DC as dc.lab.local with the IP address, which is exactly the machine I wanted to test connectivity from this current machine to that machine. And you have actually one hop between, which is 192.168.204.2. So my machine goes to 192.168.204.2, and then from there can get to 192.168.199.4, which is DC. And this is the path of packet or information travel from my machine currently in this example to the machine I specified after tracer. Also notice that you can also use the IP address. So let's just try it that way. As you will see, the results were identical. And that's how you test connectivity between two machines and get a detailed listing of all the devices that are hops or all the devices that are contacted in between to get from the source you're using the command on to the destination you specify on a Windows server.